What is good, everybody? I know we're a couple weeks out, but it's a very important video today. It's actually our first video of things we need to get done for Mustang Week. And luckily, thanks to our friends with Modified Muscle for sending us out some Eibach Sportline springs. Something this car has definitely been needing. We did have some Eibachs on here already, but we needed to go just a little bit lower. So thankfully, Modified Muscle sent us out exactly what we need to get this thing sitting perfect. So we're gonna be getting those installed, going through everything, and hopefully we get the perfect look out of this car, because that's what we all aim for. This is the first step to prepping the car for Mustang Week. Make sure y'all go to Modified Muscle. They have everything you need. I'm gonna be dropping all the socials down below in the description as well as the website. So don't waste time. Click that link in the description, get you some stuff. Well, we finally made it. We finally made it. I was able to walk out the house in a hoodie. It's a beautiful feeling, it's a beautiful thing. And I'm looking forward to many more of them mornings. But nonetheless, we got the Master Jordan. He's meeting with us at Derek's. He's gonna help me toss these things in. Not only are we looking for a little bit better stance, but hopefully this might even solve one of the noises we're hearing. You know, I'd love for a spring to come out and there'd be like a torn isolator or something like that, but we're gonna find out. Oh, baby.
You don't need it.
She's pretty. Really hope we can find that squeaking problem in here. What we got going on
tied.
here? Busted rubber, zip tied.
I don't know. I mean, that looks like glue though. I don't know. See if there's any top isolator. Yeah, there's still rubber up top. Rubber down low, rubber up top.
She pretty.
Shiny. No, come back. Well, that's one.
Voila.
Oh, so much fun.
Rear's done. Easy peasy.
These front are easy peasy too. A little extra okey-dokey there.
There goes the powder coat.
You take out this clip, this bolt for the brake line, one bolt here, and then as long as you, well, you gotta take off the sway bar link too, but once you take that top bolt off and you lower it with the jack, it acts as its own spring compressor. Don't even need a tool.
Fire.
Let's see if we can use this bad boy or if we need Big Bertha, you know what I'm saying?
I already know Big Bertha's coming out. Here she comes. Big Bertha. Rip right through it.
Oh God. Oh God. Oh, this is hard. No, it ain't.
Woo.
She is a beaut.
Spidey
Just like
webs.
that.
Spidey webs.
Spidey webs.
Just make sure you get the strut bar on there.
Oh yeah, let's take a look at this real quick. Let me know your thoughts. Come back here. So, we wanna
Hammer bolts. Check. present to you bolts, sir.
Oh.
Potential side mission?
It might work.
Well, let's do it. Fuck it.
All right then.
Side mission
There's your
engaged.
answer.
Little side mission complete. We were able to shave some material down, so there actually is a gap now. Just a little bit, but there is one. So, fingers crossed on that. This side is complete. It's looking good, it's looking pretty. One more side and we'll be good to go.
So that'll drop another, I don't know, 1/4 of an inch, and it's gonna look really good with the tire fitment.
Yeah.
That looks. Oh yeah, you have the fucking sub. Yikes! I didn't think about that. Well, good thing is though, if it does sit too low, you can put the rears in. You know what I'm saying? And no, the rears are super simple in these cars. So if it does sit too low when it compresses with the subs, then just pop the rears back in. Because you're not going to want it like that. What gonna go? It sound like the car's breaking.
It's a big clunk, but it's, you know, it's just a one-time thing.
Kyle's going to shit himself.
We're gonna find out. I'll tell you that much.
Did you show him Cubby? Did you tell him how I got it stuck?
Huh?
Did you tell him how I got Cubby
didn't,
stuck?
bro.
Thank God.
This man bought a brand new lawnmower. Brand new. Had it plateaued. Bridge.
No, I did. You
Oh,
liar.
come on, bro.
No, I didn't.
All 4 wheels off the ground.
Huh? Y'all are lying. Y'all are some lying son of a guns, bro.
When you went forward,
He wrecked his lawnmower within the first 15 minutes I owned it. It's crazy.
It was kind of funny.
Well, we're taking our first official drive. We did cruise around the neighborhood, obviously, but you know, we didn't have the wheels torqued down and everything like that, so we couldn't get out on the street. So far, the car feels great. It's driving great. Haven't heard a single squeak, nor have I heard a single clunk. Who's to say it's not gonna start up, but as of right now, we are A-okay. Even at that slow takeoff speed when we would normally get the clunk, I'm not getting anything. It's gonna take a little while for the springs to settle, so we're not gonna get the full effect of the stance just yet. Maybe it'll start settling a little bit by the time I get home. We got some subs in there, so the rear is definitely squatting a little bit. But for right now, we just gotta drive this thing and see if we can get a noise. Just got done with our official first cruise on the new springs. It drives amazing. Drives really good. You can already see the rear is starting to squat real nice. Front's getting there. It's already looking a lot better though. So I can't wait for the final project on that. But all in all, it's a very successful day, and I still just got to thank Modified Muscle for hooking me up with the springs once again, man. Today was not going to happen without you anytime soon, so I appreciate that. Once again, make sure everybody go to the link down in the description. Check the pinned comment, ModifiedMuscle.co. They'll have everything you want. Make sure you get over there and get you some stuff. All right, so here we are a couple days later. Time to pop in the garage, check the stance, see if we gotten any lower. And we got to take this thing out for a quick little cruise, see how it's feeling. It was feeling real good on the way home, tell you that much. It felt a lot better, so see if we notice any difference today. Hello, gorgeous. Yeah, we're getting there. will tell you one thing, the car is feeling good today, boy. So I got a little bit of bad news in terms of plans for Mustang Week. I actually went today to order a new splitter. I want a new splitter. I need something that looks a little more aggressive, a little, you know, a little lower to the ground. I was looking at the MMD V2. That's what I was going to get, and what do you know? Out of stock. Expected not for another 12 plus weeks. So that sucks. If anybody has any other ideas of some good looking splitters that also aren't $600 for a piece of plastic, let me know, because the MMD was about the only one I saw that I liked. There is the Roush, but those are discontinued. Can't get those anymore. So I don't know. I'm at a loss. I don't know what to get, and it makes me sad. I was literally about to order it, and then what do you see? Out of stock. God, that makes me so mad, man. So after some driving around and stuff like that, pretty much determined we are going to have to put the other Eibach springs back in the rear, because with the weight of the subs in the trunk, it just squats the rear a little too much. I'm getting some bumping, so I think it's a little too low in the rear. She's squatting pretty good, and even though it looks really good, it's squatting fat, but it's just too low. I get too much of a knock on certain bumps, like that right there. When I get the chance, I'm gonna toss those back in. Overall though, the car's driving really good. It feels great. The fitment's getting better and better every day. I need to hurry up and go ahead and get an alignment set up. And that'll be one step closer to having the car ready for Mustang Week. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, toss a like up on the video, and let me know down in the comments who I'm gonna be seeing at Mustang Week. I got to meet some of you at Ponies in the Smokies, which was really awesome. I'm hoping to meet more of you at Mustang Week. So go ahead, y'all let me know down in the comments who's going to be there, whom I'm going to be linking up with. And I'm excited to meet you. Well, here we are jumping ahead. It's actually happening sooner than I expected. Jordan's actually getting started on it now. It looked really good, but you know, we sat here and looked at it for a minute. And just after one trip today, we rubbed our fingers under the fender liner, and there was a bit of rubber on there, a good bit. So ultimately, we're deciding to go ahead and get that done. Hopefully, we're going to get the perfect fitment. So we're going to go ahead and toss these in, and I'll get back to you. Well, here we go. We're finally wrapped up, and we're back to looking like we aren't busting a wheelie sitting still. What I'm going to do is get the thicker isolators and put the other springs back in. That way, you know, it's got a little bit more separation in there, so we aren't completely slamming. It's not that low. So that is going to come. But for now, this just had to happen. And it sucks because they looked so good. It looked really good. We're gonna get it perfect soon. Just the weight of them subs is throwing everything off, but we're going to get it perfect soon. Once again, big shout out to my friends over at Modified Muscle. Make sure y'all go there, get you some stuff. They'll have anything you need. I'm gonna drop all the socials as well as the website link down below, so make sure you click that and run it up. Huge props to them for making this video happen for me, man. Everything is absolutely awesome. Car is great, looks great, drives great. So yeah, shout out to y'all, and I'm really looking forward to working with y'all in the future. I think we might have just cooked on this one. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.